Hey everyone! If you want to create professional YouTube videos quickly using AI and built-in editing tools, InVideo makes the process simple even if you're a beginner. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube videos with InVideo from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Create Video and choose the type of project you want to make. You can start with a blank canvas, use a template, or generate a video using AI. Next, select the YouTube video format. This ensures your project uses the correct aspect ratio and dimensions for YouTube. If you're using AI video generation, enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. Include the topic, style, audience, and key points you want covered. After generating the video, review the scenes carefully. InVideo will typically create visuals, text, transitions, music, and narration based on your instructions. And that's how to create YouTube videos with InVideo in 2026. With AI-powered video generation and easy editing tools, you can produce professional content much faster than traditional video editing methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.